For example, Python, you have to download the Python. So how you can download the Python? You can say Python download from Google. Okay. Forget about this advertisement. And then there is a www.python.org downloads. Then go there and download. Depending upon your computer platforms, you can download it. Right now, the Python 3.9.1, you can download it. If you are using different platform, you can choose accordingly. For example, Mac OS, then click this Mac OS. Then there is a Mac OS latest Python 3, which is the same as 3.9.1. You can click this to download. So I'm going to click this, for example. So that is being downloaded, or very quick download, right? And then what you can do, this is a file browser. If you go to download, then this is that one, right? So double click on it and run, then it will be downloaded. I want to make sure that when you install this, you have to make sure where it is going to be stored. That is this. Install now, c:\local/users/jun/appdata/local/Python/Python 3.9. Don't forget about this, okay? All you need to change, you could create the shortcode, or in this case, it didn't allow you to. Okay. If you want to add a Python 3.9 to path expression, you can do that too. Okay, so I wanted to use this. If you have many other Pythons, then recent ones may be good. So 3.9. Install launcher for all user. Yeah, but it's up to you, right? And then install. So, and then click yes to let it go. Meanwhile, if you want to work on the IDE that I am using, which is called the Pyzo, then I wanted to make sure. Okay, I want you to download the Pyzo also. So Pyzo download. So here we go, Pyzo. So click the Pyzo. All right, latest version. Current version is 4.11.2 released about two and a half months ago. This release includes a fix for Mac OS. Get it now here. That is for that. Okay, so click this latest version for Windows. Paizo's free. Okay, get the Pyzo going your machine using Quick Start. Okay, Quick Start. All right, here Paizo IDE. Install Paizo IDE. So Windows. This is a Windows version. Install Python environment. You can do others, for example. So Pyzo installer. I believe that is this, right? For Windows. So I'm using this also. So when I come back here, web browser, then I will have here Pyzo 4.11.2. It's already here. This doesn't move. But anyway, so I'll let it go. Pyzo 4.11.2. The Pyzo that I have right now is the earlier version. So anyway, I need to upgrade. Oh, comes right here. This guy slips. Okay, meanwhile, back here, our textbook. Oh, this guy asks me so that I can say yes. Click. Then I will have another installer. Come on. My system will be very, very busy. Okay, this is a Pyzo. Let me bring this up. Select destination. So I want to, program files /Pyzo. Again, you have to keep in mind the location of your Pyzo. So I want you to take the location suggested by the systems, unless you have any specific reason not. I would take it. Just keep this in mind. This Python is in my directory. It is app data, local programs, and the language, right? Here in this case, C drive, program files, and Pyzo. Next. And if I click, if I see my C drive and program files, probably I have a Pyzo. Oh, I do not have Pyzo here. Maybe it was installed at some other location. What about here? Oh, here. There's that 86. I have here, the version that I had was a long time ago, right? But now I switched to program files rather than program files 86. Okay, next. And then destination there. Okay. All right, both of those are currently installed. And I'm going to expand this. Okay. So I wanted to read this plain text. And then CSV for data. Data can be completing a Python setup wizard. Finish. That's low system resource. Oh, this is my system issue. It's fine. Currently on the terminal 1, there is a Pyzo, but I need to make a shortcut from this Pyzo. I have here Pyzo. Okay. I have here Pyzo. Okay. Now, when this is ready, I'm going to help you how to. I think we better wait. Okay. So Pyzo is ready, and the Python is almost on. setup was successful. Is there anything that I need to do? This is, okay, no. Close that. Okay, so Pyzo, I need to make a shortcut, Pyzo. Right click on it. And then create shortcut. Can I create shortcut? Do you want to shortcut to be placed on the desktop instead? I have a desktop here. Yeah, let's try. I have an older version. See what happens. Doesn't really matter. So I have a shortcut up here. Okay. So I double click it from my terminal 1. I'll bring that IDE to terminal 2 when it comes. Oh, it automatically comes up there. Oh, wait a minute. This is the new ones. I clicked all the ones. Let's see. Help about Pyzo. What is the version? Oh yeah, this is a new version. The one that I had, this automatically upgraded so that it shows mine there. And on this shell, this is an editor. So we can add it here. And this is the shell that we can choose. Right now, we have a Python 2.7. I have many. For example, 2.7, 3.7, even 3.7, one from native Python, the other from Anaconda, and then 3.8. Today, I installed the 3.9, right? So we need to choose this, edit the shell configuration. Then we need to here add config, and I would say, here, I can say Python 3.9. Okay, and executable files. Remember that I asked you to remember where is it? Here, it catch up intelligently, right? So JUN, app data, local programs, Python, Python 3.9. This is what I want, right? And then graphical user interface code, we simply say author, but if you want to use any specific ones, you can choose that. We don't do that here. Okay, and then you can say done. Remember, this is the edit and configuration that we just did. And then this is the multiple options that we can choose. Remember, previously I have 2.7, 3.7, 2 versions, and 3.8. Now we have one more, 3.9. Click this, then that shell is running. This is a 3.7, 3.9.1. Okay, this is brand new. And then we can work on here, right? This much simple.